You can see this is a better projection of them. And they'll be tight, and they're not like your Eden grapes, but they're extra sweet. And because they're extra sweet, we really can eat a lot of these. When we get into crushing these grapes later, we'll get to taste the most expensive grape juice in the world, wine grapes. We need basically 2 or 3 people to run this operation. One of them is the stick person. Somebody's going to be standing here, and usually the men push that off to the woman because they don't want the woman lifting the 30, 40 pounds of grapes.
So the woman get the stick then?
The woman get the stick. Okay. And what they'd have to do is, as the men, or whoever throws the grapes in, the grape person, they will be pushing the grapes towards the auger, which is going to be starting to crush the grapes. And they got to keep them moving, because if they don't keep them moving, they'll build up and they come over. And we just don't, every grape counts, right?
Right.
So every grape counts in our winemaking process. So our personnel stands behind here because they're in here for the safety of people, to make sure no one's sticking their hands in there. We stick our hands in there once in a while because we see some loose leaves. Leaves don't affect it because leaves will come out with the stems. So basically what we want to do is make sure that no one's doing something wrong, so we keep always a person here for safety. So this machine will crush somewhere around 2 or 3 tons an hour of grapes. At 6,000 pounds, roughly 8-10 barrels of wine.